Blessed day everyone! So for this video, you will find out how I've created this crochet top, which is back to back, means there are different designs for each side, so you can use it or wear it in either way. So for this part of the video, you will see the pattern and the stitches that I have used to create this crochet top. So meaning you should already know how to do simple crochet stitch to learn this top. If you still don't know how to do basic stitches, or you want to review how to create basic stitches and you want to make this top, see the part 2 of this video. In that part or in that video, you will see how I did each and every stitches that I have used to create this top. So, in this top, I have used these threads that I've purchased in Divisoria. It doesn't have any label, but if you will be noticing, the yarn is very thin, or the threads are very thin. So, I have combined 3. I am missing one. Okay, 3 of these to create that top. So, I've combined it like this and do my stitches using that one, but you can use any regular yarn. Okay, and also a size 3.5 millimeter hook. So to create this top, you should prepare the measurement of your body. So measure around from this point going on here and at the back till you reach this point. Okay, measure around your breast area and also at the bottom of your breast area in this part. So from this point, going here, then back there, and going back. So get the difference between your measurement here and divide it by 2. Okay, and add the result on the measurement here. That should be the length of your chain stitch, or that should be how many chain stitch you will create. Okay, so if you want to make it continuous, you will do that or the number from this point up to this point, then going back. Or if you want to make it in 2 parts, meaning one side, then do the other side. So measure only from this point up to this point and this point and up to this point. It will give you the same result. So if you would notice, the base of this top is a halter top. So if you have different ways in making your own halter top, you can do so. But for me, I did a double crochet, enough to cover my breast area. Okay, then we will focus on this design at the top and also on this design. Okay. So to show these spaces, you will be doing an alternating pattern of a double crochet and chain 1 stitch. So to start, you're going to chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and do a double crochet in this stitch on the next stitch. Then for this part, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and do a double crochet on this stitch. Again, chain 1, skip, and double crochet. Continue doing this till you have reached the end. Now for example, you have an odd number of stitches. What you can do is in between, do not skip any more stitches, just like what I did here. Repeat this pattern, chain 3, and do the double crochet on the chain 1 space that you did here. Chain 1, again, skip your double crochet. Okay, the double crochet will be placed here on the chain 1 stitch. Again, chain 1, skip this one, do your double crochet. So continue doing that pattern till again you are satisfied to the height of your crochet top. Then lock this one at the very end. So we will be doing the other side. To create this side, You will be doing what you've done before by decreasing again the double crochet in each row. Okay, continue decreasing till you've reached the last two rows of this one, meaning when you've reached this part. Okay, because the next pattern will cover this size. Understand? This is what they've called the shell pattern, in which by the end of the row, I've skipped 2 stitches, 1, 2, then created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet in the third stitch. Then skip 2 more stitch here, 1 and 2, then create again on the third stitch 6 double crochet, then skip 2 stitches, then on the third stitch 6 double crochet. Continue doing this one till you've reached the end. After doing this one, you can combine. If you did it separate, you can already combine other side, then do the strap. Okay, there are plenty of different ways to create a strap, but for me, a simple chain stitch enough to look to be a rope or a tie in my shoulder. Then I came back down for a slip stitch. Then to make the side neater, as always, you can create single crochet or a slip stitch. So for the bottom part of the video, of the top, what I've created is I've added a garter. So this helped me support my bust, and also because of this one, I don't have to add padding, especially if your, what do you call that, yarn color is darker. So after adding the garter, I have added an additional double crochet. Okay, so hope you have understand the pattern and hope you've enjoyed and learned, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.